What's up, guys? This is Brad Harding with you today and Stetson.
Hi.
And today we got some new farm animals. So let's take a look at them. So we got some chickens and ducks.
Quack, quack.
Thanks to Tractor Supply, they only had 2 ducks left, so we just got the 2.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
They get the money, you get the animal.
They were only $3, so that was easy.
$3?
Yeah, all
But
chickens.
they're like 50.
No, they're $3.
Oh. So that's 6, 12, 24. 24 bucks, I think.
Yeah.
12. Oh yeah, 12 and 12.
There's the old chickens.
And they need this light to survive.
Yes, if they don't have light, they won't survive. Come here. Come here, chickens. There's your chicken. I'll get out of the light for you. There's a chicken.
My chickens are my head.
Here's a duck. There you go.
Why does it make that?
Because they're yelping. And, so that's our new farm animals, and we'll take the other ones to the butcher. Thanks for watching The Davis Brothers. We love you, and I'll see you next time.